Yehovah, Elohim, Svaot, Kadosh, Kadosh, Kadosh. Please fill me and lead me, and cover me and stir me, and speak through me with your Ruach HaKodesh, that I may speak your written words with boldness and humility to those who listen. I ask all these things in Yeshua HaMashiach's name. Amen. We'll start with the Shema. Listen and obey. Children of Yehovah, pay careful attention and respond. Yehovah is our power and authority. Yehovah works in unity with himself, and you shall act upon your love to Yehovah with your power and authority, with your thoughts and mind, with your entire body, and with all the muchness that you have. Yod, Hey, Vav, Hey. Hand, behold, now, behold. Psalm chapter 85. For the leader, a psalm of the sons of Korach. Yehovah, you have shown favor to your land. You have restored the fortunes of Yaakov, taken away the guilt of your people, pardon all their sin. Selah. Withdrawn all your wrath, turned from your fierce anger. Restore us, Elohim of our salvation. Renounce your displeasure with us. Are you to stay angry with us forever? Will your fury last through all generations? Won't you revive us again so your people can rejoice in you? Show us your grace, Yehovah. Grant us your salvation. I am listening. What will Elohim, Yehovah, say? For he will speak peace to his people, to his holy ones, but only if they don't relapse into folly. His salvation is near for those who fear him, so that glory will be in our land. Grace and truth have met together. Justice and peace have kissed each other. Truth springs up from the earth, and justice looks down from heaven. Yehovah will also grant prosperity. Our land will yield its harvest. Justice will walk before him and make his footsteps a path. How can we learn to love our Creator after reading this deep 85th chapter of Psalm? We can love Yehovah by remembering his mercy, giving thanks for his forgiveness, and trusting in his restoration. Love Yehovah by seeking his restoration and trusting in his willingness to forgive and renew. Love Yehovah by seeking his revival, listening to his voice, and walking in reverence to experience his peace and salvation. Love Yehovah by walking in his justice, truth, embracing his grace, and trusting him to provide abundance and peace. How can we love our neighbor as Yeshua loves us? By extending grace, pursuing truth, fostering peace and justice in their lives. Bear one another's burdens by supporting others and seeking Yehovah's grace, truth, and peace, and helping them walk in his justice. What are the top 3 fruits of the Spirit found? 1. Peace. Embrace Yehovah's peace by fostering harmony and reconciliation in his presence. 2. Faithfulness. Trust in Yehovah's promises and remain steadfast in his truth and justice. 3. Kindness. Reflect Yehovah's grace by showing compassion and mercy to others. How can we learn to love our Creator after reading this? We'll end with the Arianic blessing using the name. Yehovah will kneel before you presenting gifts, and he will guard you with a hedge of protection. Yehovah will illuminate the wholeness of his being toward you, bringing order, and he will provide you with love, sustenance, and friendship. Yehovah will lift up the wholeness of his being and look upon you and will set in place all you need to be whole and complete. Shalom, shalom.